Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers. This is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. So before we get into today's analysis, so this is my disclaimer, read carefully each and every line what I have written. Let's move on to Nifty, and this is the SGX Nifty in 1 hour. So as I said in the previous and the weekly analysis also, I updated for the 54 stocks. And Saturday I uploaded that. You just go and watch for your references. So as per, this is the intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all the third wave extended as per in the SGX Nifty structure. So this is a 1, 2, so 3, 4 and 5. So here look at this, the bigger picture. Don't concentrate in that small picture in the final end, because it seems like one more high is also possible, but it's already could turn into that bearish side also. So more concentration in the bigger picture. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So whether there is a one small high is also possible today, and after that I'm expecting a downtrend. So, and one more is there is a perfect channel is ahead here. I will show you that. If we keep this as a channel and just clone that, we are getting here there is a one support, and again there is a support, and there is a resistance. So it's keep getting rejections in this zone, right? So little bit we can adjust this. Yes. So after that, same, you just clone one more, place it here. So now I'm expecting this has to come to this zone, and this is the one bigger channel. So this is the alternative channel. It's a inside the for the fifth wave. So here I'm expecting one more high is also possible, and we are getting a little bit rejected here. So let's wait for to finish this. Maybe one more high is also possible. Otherwise it could be again one more downside for the nearly what I'm expecting, the 16,000 range for the bigger one. Okay, I will remove this channel now. So for 1, 2, so we are completing, or it's already completed the third wave, and I'm expecting a three-way structures, or it could be a triangle. So any kind of correction pattern I'm expecting for the fourth wave. Maybe it retested this broken zone once again. So once it completed here, I'm expecting the final fifth wave for the target nearly 16,800 to 17,000 is my target. And once again I'm informing you, this could be, because if you look on that SGX, this is the SGX Nifty, and our Nifty here in the bigger picture, it seems already the 5-way may get over also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the intermediate wave, it's not accepting in the SGX Nifty as per the trip expansion level. So for that I took it this as a wave 1, and the rejection wave 2 already as per that 1618 is the third wave, but it did only the 1272. So that's why I again rearrange this labeling. So whether this could be the intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more way is also possible. But according to the Nifty, it's already done that 1618 here for this zone 1, rejection 2, and it's already exactly the 1618, and we are completing the fifth wave also. So be careful if any fundamental news came in. If it is comes like this, immediately that could be the change, a reversible point, because I expected this zone, it's already achieved here. So wait for that, and we will see you tomorrow. And this is my view for today. So hope you enjoyed this analysis pre-market predictions. So thanks a lot for watching, and we will see you in tomorrow. Have a nice day.